For this chocolate blueberry sorbet, add 1 cup of frozen blueberries to a high speed blender or food processor. Add 1/2 of a cup coconut water. This imparts sweetness without sugar, so pick it up if you don't have any at home. 2 level tablespoons cacao powder level. I prefer raw cacao powder, it's just sweeter and smoother. 1/2 of a teaspoon vanilla powder. If you use vanilla extract, just make sure it's alcohol free. 1/4 teaspoon beet powder or so for additional sweetness. Beets are high in nitrates, deliver more oxygen to muscles, and lower blood pressure. Athletes add beet powder to their pre workout drink, which allows them to push harder and longer. 2 drops of peppermint oil, if you have it. If not, that's okay. 2 large frozen ripe bananas broken into 1-inch chunks. This allows it to blend easier. These bananas are ripe. They have brown spots and the peel falls right off when I pick them up and are sweeter. And I like sweet smoothies. Add the tamper through the top, pressing down the fruit, blending on low until the mixture becomes a smooth consistency. Pour into a medium sized bowl and enjoy with a large spoon. This sorbet is chocolatey, creamy like ice cream, light and delightful, and has just the right amount of sweetness. The mint delivers a subtle, pleasant freshness. It's enjoyable. I savor each and every spoonful. This sorbet contains 446 calories, 8 grams of plant protein, 84 grams of net carbohydrates, is low in fat at just 6 grams of fat. The majority of the fat content comes from the cacao powder. This sweet and healthy breakfast or snack contains 18 grams of fiber. Fiber in whole form from plants turn into short chain fatty acids to clean out cholesterol, repair, reduce inflammation, and aid in weight loss, to name just a few of their many benefits. Most Americans eat high calorie, high fat, high cholesterol breakfasts, such as eggs with cheese, toast with butter, a breakfast sausage, a half glass of orange juice, and coffee with creamer. That's just one breakfast. And this particular breakfast contains only 3 grams of fiber. I was surprised it had any fiber at all. A whopping 1,116 calories, 86 grams of fat, 33 grams of saturated fat, which increases cholesterol. The ideal maximum amount of saturated fat is 6 grams a day, and just this meal is over 5 times the safe amount. And this typical American breakfast contains 2 grams of trans fat, the worst fat of all. Make this tasty sorbet instead. I have so many favorite recipes, but I think you'll really like this bean and veggie taco recipe and this chocolate cheesecake. Both vegan, oil free, plant based, simple, and scrumptious. Recipe and the YouTube description below. My top recipes are in my book, The High Five Diet. Check it out by going to my website, thehighfivediet.com.